Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Marian, and today we are going to learn about opposite words. In Somali, opposite words are ereyo lit isku ah. Ereyo lit isku ah. Fiican, good. Xun, bad. Dad fiican, good people. Qof xun, bad person. Kore, upper. Hoose, lower. Qaybta kore, upper part. Midka hoose, lower one. Gaaban, short. Dheer, tall. Geed gaaban, short tree. Cabir dheer, tall size. Qoyan, wet. Qalalan, dry. Maro qoyan, wet cloth. Caleen, qalalan, dry leaf. Fudud, easy. Adag, hard. Jawaab, fudud, easy answer. Su'aal, adag, hard question. Culus, heavy. Fudud, light. Dhagax culus, heavy rock. Buug, fudud, light book. Yar, small. Weyn, big. Guri yar, small house. Gaari weyn, big car. In the description below, I will leave a PDF link of about, I think, more than 100 opposite words, and you can download. Hoos and linkiga hoose waxaa ka heli kartaa linki oo PDF ah oo ka download garaysan kartid erayo tiro badan oo opposite isku ah. Somali iyo English baa ku wada qoran. Hopefully inay ku anfacaan. Khayr badan baa idin rajeynayaa. Ramadan Kareem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.